Want a bite? Bite? Sit down. You're being bad. Sit down. You're being bad. You're being bad. You're gonna fall out. Excuse you. Yeah, you are being bad. Sit down. Sit down. Or take a bite. Take a bite. This is how I have to feed Isaac his lunch every day. This is what he does. Sit down. And no matter if he's tied into his chair or not, this is what he does. Yeah, you're bad. That's right. Can you say bye-bye? Yes, he is rotten. Yes, he is. Bye-bye. Say bye. Isaac. Isaac. Bye-bye.